Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to text in-game in Marvel Rivals. So if you're on console, all you have to do is press and hold the down directional button on your controller, and then you should see the option chat. Press the RT button, and that will launch the chat, the in-game chat. And then from here now you can type in what you'd like to type into the team, and you can simply type in whatever you want to the team. So it's simply press and hold the down directional button on the controller and then select RT. And then now you can type in whatever you want. Now on PC, it's simply straightforward. All you have to do is press the enter button on your keyboard, and that will bring the in-game text chat in Marvel Rivals. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.